Replacing a doorknob is simple to do, whether you want to change the finish or add security to your home. I'm going to show you how to fix it in 15 minutes. All you need is your safety glasses, a new doorknob, and a screwdriver. It starts by loosening the screws that hold the knob in place. Once the bottom screw is out, remove both the inside and outside of the doorknob. Now it's time to remove the latch. 2 screws on the end of the door are also set in place typically by Phillips screws. Now you can take the latch and pull it out from its hole. Now it's important to determine the back set because where this larger hole is typically is 2 sizes, either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4. So when you install the new latch, you want to make sure that it's set properly. Now it's time to install the latch. Slide it back into the hole and then place the screws through the trim plate and tighten with your screwdriver. Make sure the screws are snug, but don't over tighten. Now you can install the knobs. You start with the outside knob first, hold it in place, and then the inside half lines up and you kind of jiggle it on that pin so that it fits snugly together. Take your longer screws, you got to line those up with your fingers to get them to catch. Then you take your screwdriver and start tightening. With the top screw snug, you install the bottom screw and tighten that down. This is the strike plate, the part that the latch grabs onto when you close the door. But since the finishes are the same, you don't need to replace it. There you have it. You fixed it in 15 minutes.